Hiya guys. I did say I was going to do a video today, but unfortunately I can't help the weather, so this is what it's going to be. Hope you're all doing well. I'm a little bit soggy, a little bit wet. We'll have a quick look out Camborne, I think. See who's out and about in this kind of weather. Hope you're having better weather. Hope you're having better weather where you are. Nose is running, eyes is running. Joy. Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry about the past 2 weeks, guys. I've been really busy, and you know, real life sometimes means that you don't have time to get a video in. And I looked at my last video, which was 2 weeks ago, so I'm sorry it's been that long. Oh. I don't know why my allergies are playing up. It shouldn't be this bad in the rain. Ugh, people think I'm crying. I don't want to go and join me. What a glorious day. You watch, tomorrow the sun will come out. Come on, light gods, stay green. God, I had a little bit of wheel spin then, my god. Thank you, light gods. Massive pothole formed back there. There's going to be, if this keeps up, there's going to be flooding. Ugh. Looks like this is in for the day. Aim for the glowing bubble. Sorry, don't know where that came from. And the lights are green again. Will they stay green? That is the question. Yes. I did think that truck would pull out in front of me like that, but he was far enough away. kind of are half a mile out into the road. Several hours later. I'm not going to let anyone out because I'm a miserable bugger. It must be an old bugger. I'm actually surprised at my Instagram page is getting likes. I mean, there's hardly anything on it at the moment, so I am kind of surprised. Could it be my roguish good looks? Probably not. You know, I've just got a few pictures on there and that's about it. It's not like, you know, most people's Instagram where it's just pages and pages of, here's me at a wedding eating cake. Here's me slightly sloshed on a bottle of wine. Here's me with a rather large dog. What we'll do, I think, we'll do the usual. We'll go into Camborne, down through the town centre, and call that a video because the weather isn't great, is it? It's I was, if it was nice today, planning on going down on the St Ives to St Just road. Really nice, I like it down there. But it'd be quite rough down there right now in this. Was quickly on the radio. Bit of Motown. Oh, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green. Please stay green, stay green, stay green. Thank you. Traffic light gods being really kind. Nice. Town's probably going to be empty at the very best. Oh, ruddy doze. Looks quite busy actually. Just caught a tear running down my cheek. Honestly, if you'd look at me, you'd think I was crying. Bumpy, 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 bump, bump. beaver blinds. Ironic really, this is weather for beavers. Is nobody letting that person across? It's quite alright. You're out in the rain, no bugger let you cross. Shame. Honestly, some people. Now she's got to try and cross that road. She'll be kept there for the next 10 minutes because no one will let her go. Oh, she's gone. We can shut up moaning now. Moaning about humanity and how cruel it is to old women. If town is busy, I'll just simply turn off to one of the little back roads and make my escape. Oh, so I'm not going round the roundabout, we're just going over the roundabout, okay. Maybe we should just start calling them overbouts. I've got to get a box of tissues for my nose and my eyes. You crossing? See that? Yeah. Rain. Yep, certainly some. Summer's certainly gone. Now we've been thrown into the depths of winter. Shut up. Apparently it's a little disc just behind my wheel, an ABS sensor disc. And there's loads of little holes in it. And the sensor reads the motion of the holes, or something like that. Apparently one of my discs is broken. You're on the curb. Now you're going to want to come back out, aren't you? At least it's nice and clear in front of us. And that is how alloys get marked up. I'm pulling away in second gear. How clever am I? There's that guy again. Throw it in the bin. If you're a hoodie, I can say that this is the weather for it. Right, back home I suppose. Don't know why I said it in that kind of voice. I'm going home. Nice little model shop that is. I've got to take my nephew there at some point. Actually, we're coming up. They're coming up, or rather, I'm bringing them up on. I think it's next week. How spiffing! Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to go back the way I came, and since you don't want to see all that again, I hope you liked the video. Sorry for the weather. I really can't control that. If I could, I would make it glorious sunshine and 25 degrees, but I can. Maybe when I ascend, I can have control of the weather. That would be nice. But anyway, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It is free, and it really does help me out, and I really do need more subscribers to get noticed by YouTube, so I can basically be my own boss and stop working for the man. So thank you guys, take care. As usual, it's a weird and wacky world. Look after yourselves. I'll see you next video. Cheers.